Hi, how are you?
Hi, I am very good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you.
Good. Doing well. Yeah, nice. What is your name and where are you from?
I'm Saiba,
Hmm.
Sahiba, and I'm from India.
Very nice. Very nice to meet
Yes.
you.
What about you?
My name is Bibi, and I'm from California in the U.S.
Wow, California.
Yeah,
Very nice. It's my
yeah.
favorite place.
Really? Very nice. Yeah.
Yes.
California is really nice, so I can understand.
Yes,
Um,
I want to go to the California for study.
Oh, nice. Do you know what
Yes.
city you want to study in?
No, I don't know. Just I'm searching.
Hmm.
Yes.
Very nice. Well, I have lived in three cities in California. So I'm from San Diego, which is
Yes.
the south. But I have lived in LA, Los Angeles, and also like San Francisco area.
Oh,
And I would recommend if you want to because they have different things. But if you want
okay.
to work in the tech industry, so anything that has to do with technology, engineering, or even like medical field, San Francisco is a very good city, or the whole Bay Area, because of
Yes.
the companies. If you like entertainment and
Yeah.
anything that has to do with that, I would recommend Los Angeles since that's, where all that is.
Yeah.
And San Diego is more relaxing of a city, but you also
Yes.
do have a lot of universities that are good for law and medical fields and things like that. And also, you're close to those cities as well.
Yeah. So, right now you are in California.
Yeah. So right now in the summertime, I am in
Summer.
California. I am
Okay.
in San Diego. During the school year, I live in Spain because I work as an English teacher in Spain. So, but my
Okay.
family is in California. So in the summertime, I'm here.
Oh, you are so lucky.
Yeah, I kind of have, like two lives.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
it's very nice. Uh-huh.
tell me, uh, what do you do?
So I teach English, both in person in a classroom and online. So during the school year, I work full time
Yes.
for like kindergarten or preschool. So these are very young children teaching the very basic of English,
Okay.
math and colors, science, history, things like that.
Wow.
Um,
You
and
teach
then
science.
Yes, but very easy, like a very low level of science. So things like um, the space and color theory, experiments, nature, everything that's very easy for kids to understand.
Okay. So, mhm. So, in which university do you have completed your graduation?
So I went to school up in the Bay Area. It's called the University of California, Berkeley. So, like this. Let me write it for you. It's called University of California,
University of California.
Berkeley, or it's also
Oh,
known as UC Berkeley.
okay.
So,
It's great.
depending,
Yeah.
people
So
know it as
this,
different names, or
yeah.
maybe even like as Cal has different names. But yeah.
Okay. So this university is near from your house?
Yeah, so this university is in the Bay Area, so next to San Francisco. Um, Maybe like 30 minutes on the train or
Train.
15, 20 minutes.
Okay, you travel in train.
I mean, if when I lived in Berkeley, to go to San Francisco, yes, you can go on train, by car, on the bus, whatever way
Yes,
you
yes,
want.
whatever. Okay. So
Yeah.
there are hostels
Uh, in the university
in the
or
university. University.
in the university, there's everything. There's dorms where students live. There's apartments. There's houses. Kind of everything.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
So I lived in the dorms, which are apartments for students.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's very like American, very American thing where all the students live together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me in where you uh, where you are in college time.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, one moment.
Okay.
Uh, when you was in college,
Uh-huh. Yeah, very good.
so there is there are Indian
Yeah.
student.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I so in the US, but also just in California or in universities, there are students from all over the world. Um, Either maybe their parents or their grandparents are from a different country, but their daughter or their son or maybe the mom is born in the US. Or we also have international students, so students from other countries. So we kind of have a bit of everything. So at UC Berkeley, we had a good percentage of international students. I would say
Oh,
about 20 to 25% of the students were international students,
oh,
um, from all over. So, like India, Saudi Arabia, South
yes.
Korea, Australia, Brazil,
Wow.
from all over.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So, and they have different communities as well. So, they have different clubs. So, if you are, let's say, in a different university, and
Yes.
you want to have a community of like Indian students, they will have different clubs that you can join. So you can, talk about things and have
Yes.
connections from back home. Um,
Yes.
so yeah, you can have all those options.
Okay. So how is their hostels?
How are the hostels or the hotels?
Yes.
Hostels or hotels? I don't know which one are your
Hostel. Hostel.
the first
Hostel.
one. We don't have many in California. We don't have many hostels. Are these the hostels, the ones where you pay for one bed per night?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so they're very popular outside of the US for traveling, but in the US, not very common. Um, Especially maybe if you go to big cities like San Francisco, LA, San Diego, maybe in the middle of the city, you will find one.
Yes.
Um, but outside, when traveling, yes, there's many. Like I've been to many in Asia, in Europe, but not in the U.S.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm so so glad to meet you. Wow.
Same. I'm so glad you have answered all your questions. Um,
Yes.
well, yeah. When do you apply for university?
Next year. Right now I am in 12th grade.
Okay, okay. Well, very good luck. Well, if you have any more questions, I'm glad to
Oh, time
have
is
you in our
over.
class. Okay.